morning, mathematicians. Today I want to talk to you about a thing called hexarites. Hexarites is a hexagon that has pairs of adjacent sides that are perpendicular, which means that something like this is a hexarite because when this side goes with this side, this is perpendicular, forming right angles. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to go over how to find area and perimeter on some problems, and then I'm going to give you two problems to try by yourself. The first one, this picture shows a rectangle, two sets of parallel lines. One set is longer than the other. This one measures 15 inches and this measures 7 inches. And I know the opposite sides measure the same length. So this 7 means that this is 7. This 15 makes this 15. When I figure out area for this, I'm doing length times width. So I am doing 15 times 7 or 7 times 15. I decided to count by sevens. 1 7, 10 sevens. Then I did half to do the 5 sevens. And then once I had that, I realized I had 10 sets plus 5 sets gave me 15 sets. So I added the 70 and the 35 to get 105. So my area is 105, special label, square inches, because I'm counting all the little boxes in that space. The perimeter of this area, or this shape, is all the sides added together. The formula is 2 times length plus width. So I'm going to add the 15 and the 7 together and get 22, and then I multiply it by 2. 2 times 22, double it, 44. So my perimeter is 44 inches. Now this, look at this one. This hexarite is, I actually have a rectangle, and a rectangle. So that when I do my area, I have to find the area of this space, and this space. So area of 1, area of 2, area of 3. So my area of the first one is length times width, 20 times 10. 20 times 10 is 200. This one is 10 by, what is this? So this one, this little space is 10, so 10 plus 10 is 20. So area is length times width, 20 times 10 is 200. And this last one, I know it's 30 by 10. 30 by 10 is area equals length times width, 30 times 10 is 300. And then what I do is I add up all those areas. 200 plus the 200 plus 300, 2 and 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So I end up with 700, special label, square inches. Now the perimeter, this one gets involved because we like boom, 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 all the way around. So I made this little line here, and then I went around 20, 10, 10. This space would be 10, 20, 10, 30. This space would be 10, 10, 10, 10. So let's see if I've got that. 20 and 10, 20 and 10 and 10 and 10 and 20 and 10. And then I've got my 30 and my 10 and my 10 and my 10 and my 10. Maybe it's another 10. Let me double check. I might have messed up. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh no, I'm good. I added this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 80. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens is 80. 80 and 80. 80 double is 160 inches. Today, on a separate sheet of paper, you're going to try this problem. I helped you out a little bit. I have this hexarite, which is this rectangle and this rectangle. And I made this little line so that you could see the two different rectangles. So when you find area, you're going to have to find the area of this space, which is 7 by 15. We might already have the answer somewhere on your paper. And then this area what is this one? Well, this long space is 22, and this space right here is 7. So 7 plus what is 22? 15. So this space is a 7 by 15 again. Ooh, we might have that area on another place. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Oh my gosh, I'm giving you the answer. So then you'll have to figure out the area for 1, area for 2, and add it together to get your total area, and make sure you label it square inches. Then when you do the perimeter, the distance around the whole shape, I would highly suggest putting a line here and go, what's this space? What's this long space? What's this space? What's this space? What's this space? What's this space or distance? So I'm going to be ending up adding 15 and 22 and 7 and 15 and 8 and 7. And you might decide to add, you know, a bunch of numbers together and then add those 2 bunches together to get your total. And perimeter on this would be labeled inches. The last problem that you're going to do today is this one. This is another hexarite, and what I did is I made lines here so that you could see here's one rectangle, here's another rectangle, and then here's a square, which is a special kind of rectangle where all sides are equal. So here I'm going to have to find the area, find the area, find the area, and add all 3 areas together, labeling it square inches. And then when you do the perimeter, again, you want to make a little line and go around, 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 around. Here's 14. This long distance is 21. This is 7. This is 7. How did I find out that that was 14? Well, I knew that this space was 7, and then this part was 7. So this little part was 7. So 7 and 7 is 14. This space is 7. This distance is 7, and this one is 7. So you're going to add all those distances together. 14 and 21 and 7 and 7 and 14 and 7 and 7 and 7. You might want to add all your 7s together and then add your 14 and your 21 together and then add all that together. And how you would label it, perimeter, just the units. So it would be blank inches. So you're going to get a picture of this. You can use the video, stop, pause. I've modeled this problem. I've modeled this problem. You're to do area and perimeter, labeling them correctly on this one. And you're to do this problem, area and perimeter, and label them correctly. You can do it on a piece of scrap paper and then take a picture and share it on Seesaw. Good luck, mathematicians.